at the beginning, we'll just revise and let's see the MCQs because first term end examination, that's a periodic test. You have MCQs, so we'll just revise and then we'll move on to the lesson Taro's reward. Okay. So first question: the animals are enemies to man, good to animals, fun loving, the friends of
Sir,
man.
the friends of men.
Till the time all others
Sir,
join,
friends of man.
we'll just discuss about
Sir,
this.
the friends of
Sir,
So the
sir,
last,
friends
yes,
of man.
D option is correct. The friends of man. The animals are friends of man. Okay, let's go to the
Man.
second question now. What is the
Okay,
answer
sir.
for the farmer
Sir,
brought a baby
C1,
mongoose
C1 for its complaint.
for its
Sir,
companionship
for his camping in a
Option C,
to the
sir.
sun or
C,
with the
sir.
sun.
Sir,
Option
So
option
here,
C is
To the
the
sun.
correct.
so
Option
C
C,
is the
sir.
right answer.
The farmer's
Okay.
wife
Farmer's
wanted
wife
to leave the baby
wanted to leave the
alone.
baby
Did
alone,
not
did
want
not.
to leave the
Sir, do
baby
not
alone.
Want to leave
the
the
baby
baby.
alone. Option B, sir.
Option B
Sir,
is
option
right.
B
Did
is
not want to
correct.
leave the baby alone. Okay, let's go to the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
one. The
Sir,
Sir,
farmer's
A1.
wife did not
Mongoose.
trust.
Sir, option A.
Sir, the mongoose, sir.
Option A.
Okay.
Option
See,
A.
one at a time. You
Option
can just give the
A.
answers.
The mongoose.
Yes. You can
Okay,
see
sir.
Satvik is giving the answer in chat box. You can give the answers in chat box. Maybe one of you can just read out. So the
Okay,
phrasal
sir.
verb looking for means what? What is
Sir,
the meaning
searching.
of the phrasal verb looking for? So
Sir,
observing,
searching.
searching, helping, and gazing.
Searching.
Looking for.
Search.
So the answer is
Sir,
searching. Very good,
searching.
Kumari. So yes, I can see many of you are giving
Searching.
correct answers. Sixth
Sir,
one.
searching.
Mongoose mouth was
Sir,
covered with clay,
blood
wide open,
stained. Sir, blood
blood
stained.
stained, blood
Blood
stained. Okay,
stained. Blood
blood
stained.
stained. Okay. When the
Yes, sir.
farmer's wife struck the mongoose, what happened? When she has struck the mongoose, then what has happened? She fell down. She hit the floor. He died. He died instantly. Immediately he died. He died instantly means what? Immediately he died. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now
sir,
let's
he
go.
died instantly.
Sir, option D.
Instantly. Instantly means immediately. So instantly that's the right answer. Okay, very good.
Okay, sir.
Nitin has given right answer. So I can see many of you in the chat box. I'm just looking at that, and most of you are giving good answer. Yes, Satvik also has given correct answer. Now here the farmer's wife felt sorry. She felt sorry for what?
Sir, option
She felt
A.
sorry for
Sir, for being late.
her
Sir,
hasty action. Satvik also has given answer. Sayan. Okay, for her hasty action, she felt
Yes.
sorry. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to question number 9. Oh, yes, Bimu also has given correct answer. Oh, what I have done shows her what? Because she comes inside and she finds that actually the snake was dead and the mongoose had saved her baby.
Repentance.
So what have I done? So what does it reflect? It's
Repentance.
repentance, isn't it? So right,
Yes.
repentance. She feels sorry for that. She starts repenting over that. So पश्चाताप होना. So उसको बहुत पश्चाताप होता है, and that is the yes meaning of the word repentance. In Kannada also we say पश्चातापा हेतु, and in Hindi also हम
Yes,
बोलते हैं
sir.
पश्चाताप होना. So repentance means that. So Hindi and Kannada the word is pashatap, that's a repentance. So she was feeling repented over that for killing the mongoose. And caging the birds means what? Taking them to a cage or birds are caged instantly, loss of freedom for them and cage the birds. So caging the bird means, so what is the answer for that? Caging the birds? Yes?
Sir, A.
What is the option there?
to the cage, sir.
Loss
So
of
loss
freedom.
of freedom for them. So caging the birds with loss of freedom. Okay. So yes, now let's move on to the lesson now. I'll just stop the sharing and I will move on to the lesson. Okay. I'm now sharing Taro's reward. Okay. Where we have stopped. Right.
Sir, I have
So
doubt about transitive and intransitive verbs, sir.
a transitive verb and intransitive. We'll look at, see, transitive verb is that, I'll give the example here. Transitive verb where object is there, that's a transitive verb. And intransitive verb, there is no object. Like she slept, she's sleeping. So slept, she slept.
Sir, how
Nikhil,
can we identify the object, sir?
how can you
Sir, once
identify the
again tell the
object?
point. Sir, once again tell the
We'll
point.
discuss about it later. I'll go to the lesson and maybe
Sir, please
last
tell
10
once
minutes.
again. Sir, please
I'll
tell
be,
once again.
Which one?
Sir, you sent the
Sir, transitive and intransitive.
Transitive and intransitive, I'll take up at the end, okay? I'll take up last 3
sir,
minutes, whatever doubts are there, I'll discuss about that. But just remember
sir,
that transitive is with object and intransitive is without object. I'll tell you one example, very easy is the example.
sir, you have
Mohan
sent
kicked
the
the ball.
Tell
sir.
them
Mohan
to
kicked
raise
the
hands.
ball. Now action is transferring from Mohan to ball. So Mohan kicked the ball. So kicked is transitive verb. Okay, Mohan slept. Mohan is sleeping. So there's no action that is going on from Mohan to anybody else. So what is happening? Mohan is sleeping. So Mohan slept. There's no object. So in that case, we say intransitive verb. You got it?
Sir,
Okay,
the
sir.
Where the
fruit
action
Yes,
is
is
sir.
passing from subject to object.
Sir,
And yes,
sir, the fruit is falling to the ground. Is it transitive or intransitive, sir?
the fruit is
Falling to the ground.
the fruit is falling down. The fruit
Sir,
is
I think,
falling down. Okay. The fruit is falling
Transitive.
down or the fruit
sir,
is
I
falling
think,
on the ground. We say the fruit is falling on the ground. So falling is yes,
transitive.
intransitive. Intransitive. Falling is intransitive because I said, see, when we are having object, usually will not use preposition. The fruit is falling.
sir,
So there is no
It's
action
the
that is
fruit in
transferring from
our,
you to
sir,
somebody
in
else.
English group,
So
sir.
that's
It's
why.
B.
So it's
sir,
Sir,
it's the
intransitive.
sir,
Don't
in
worry
English
about that.
B group,
See, in the exam,
sir,
they will ask you whether it's a verb or not. So you don't worry about transitive and intransitive much. Okay? As you go on, you will understand it better. At this
sir,
juncture, you
sir,
understand that
sir,
whether
you have
it's a verb or
told.
not.
doubt,
Okay, whether
sir.
it's a verb or not. So I'll move on to the next paragraph. I think paragraph 4 is also over.
Sir, I have doubt,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Paragraph 5 is also over. Okay. I think, shall we go to paragraph number 5? Taru stop
Yes,
chopping,
sir.
and that is also
No,
over.
sir. His
And
Yes,
father
sir.
has
paragraph
done.
seventh one.
Sir, seventh one, sir.
Huh?
Seventh one also half finished,
Seventh
sir.
one is also over. So seventh one, right?
In the
Yeah.
delighted with the shake, sir.
Yeah.
Still
So
that
you
after
just
his father drank,
uh,
sir.
I'm going to the next page now. So next page we can see here. Only after only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped. He stopped shivering. So he stopped shivering. So it was very cold. Who stopped shivering? Taro's father stopped shivering. So he
Sir,
started feeling
shivering is
very
what, sir?
warm. So he started feeling very warm
Sir, father,
and did
sir.
a little dance in the middle of the floor. So he started
Sir,
dancing
not
there.
mother, sir, father.
Father started dancing. Okay. So he was very, very happy. Right? That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. So neighbor came there and neighbor stopped by for a visit. So he came to the house and Taro's father politely offered her a cup of the sake. So Taro's father was very, very hospitable. So neighbor came to his house. So what he has done, he has offered her a cup of the sake. The lady drank it greedily. So this lady, so neighbor, she was yes, a woman, and she drank it. And let's see here. So she thanked the old man. So whom she thanked? Taro's father. She thanked because Taro's father had offered what? Taro's father had offered sake. The lady drank it greedily and thanked the old man. So she was very greedy, and she drank it. So shivering means nadagodu. Very good. So then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall. So Taro told that what has happened. So Taro says, so yes, what does he say? He tells about the magic of this magic waterfall where he found magic sake. So I should tell in Kanda also. Varun says, okay, fine. ಸೊ ನೇಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಂಡ್ ಯಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾರೋಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಸಾಕೆ ತಾರೋಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಸಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಕುಡಿತೀರಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಸಾಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಜಾಪನೀಸ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇಸ್ ಜಾಪನೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನೇಬರ್ means what? ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರು Neighbor means pakkad mani or uh, yes. So here then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall, thanking them for the delicious drink. So this drink, which is a very delicious drink, a very tasty drink, that is sake. So she left in a hurry. Now here you see this neighbor was very greedy. Taro's family, very good family, but neighbor's family, not so good. So what has happened here? She left in a hurry. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. So everybody came to know about the magic waterfall. That evening, there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. So why did these all people come? Tumba jana bandru. Where did they come? She always wants more. Yes, greedy persons, they always want more. So they all of them, these all visitors, they have come to drink sake. Where? To woodcutter's house, Taro's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall and took a sip of the sake. In less than an hour, the pitcher, that pot was empty. Pot was empty, vacant. Nothing was there in the pot. Nothing was there in the pitcher. Because all those visitors, all those people, villagers, they all drank what sake. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. So earlier is again comparative form. Earlier than, that's a comparative form. So more and more visitors came. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned, for he intended first of all to go to the waterfall. So who wanted to go to waterfall? Taro wanted to go to waterfall, get sake. So magic waterfall. He wanted to go to that magic waterfall. So
Why,
ये
sir?
बहुत ही जादू क्योंकि in that waterfall what he was getting sake
Sake,
like
not the water, sir.
like coffee. Ah, yes, it was not water, but it was sake. When he reached it, he found to his great surprise all his neighbors there. So, who were there? There were so many neighbors. They were carrying pitchers, they were carrying jars, they were carrying buckets. So, you see, all these neighbors were
Sir, your
very,
voice is very low.
yes,
No, sir.
anything they could find to hold the magic sake. So they brought buckets, they brought jars, they brought pitchers, they brought so yes. Why did they bring? They brought all those things for what?
Sake.
Yes, they all
Sake.
brought because they wanted to carry the sake.
Sake.
Anything they could find to hold the magic sake. Then one villager knelt, and what did the villager do? He knelt, held his mouth under the waterfall to drink. He drank again and then shouted very angrily, water, nothing but water. So, whatever Taro has told, that is not true. Yes, maybe to sell all that sake, yes. So, it is not true, and what is there? Only water is there. Others also tried, but there was no sake, only cold water. So, what was there? Only cold water was there. So, here, let's see here. We have been tricked, shouted the villagers. So, villagers, they said that, yes, somebody had cheated them. Where is Taro? Let's catch hold of Taro. Taro has cheated us. ಅವ ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಸಗಾರ ಯಾರು ಮೋಸಗಾರ who has tricked us ಯಾರು
Taro,
ಮೋಸ
sir.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Taro,
Taro
sir.
has done that उसने हमें फंसाया झूठ बोला हमसे where is Taro let us drown him let him bring here yes let us drown him that's what they say हम लाएंगे उसको और पानी में उसको डुबाएंगे ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುದು ನೀರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಬಟ್ ತಾರೋ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬಿನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಅ ರಾಕ್ ಸೊ ತಾರೋ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನೋ and then he was very wise he went and hid himself hiding so where was he hiding he was hiding behind a rock when he saw how things were going he was nowhere to be found they were not able to find him now muttering their anger so they were uttering that anger disappointment. They were very disappointed. Who were very disappointed? The villagers. They left the place one by one. Taru came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. So he was wondering whether it's true. Was the sake a dream? Was it not true? Was it not really sake? Actually, the neighbor had drunk. So he was wondering all that. Was a sake a dream? One more, he caught a little liquid in his hand, put it to his lips and it was the same fine sake. So when he drank, it was sake. When all his villagers they were drinking, it was not sake. To the thoughtful, yes. Yes, it was not sake. So to the thoughtful son, the one who was taking care of his parents, it was sake. Yes, but the villagers were very angry because when they tried to drink, it was not sake. So to everyone else, it gave only cold water. But Taro was very thoughtful, was very loving son. What that waterfall provided him? What? Sake. But remaining all, it was only cold water. So the story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter. Sent for means what? Call. He called the young woodcutter. He invited the young woodcutter and rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. So he was very kind. So whatever sake he got, he offered it to the neighbors. He offered it to the villagers. The villagers were very greedy. They came with buckets, they came with jars, and whatever sake he brought, see, he offered to father, he offered to the neighbor, he offered to all other villagers. So he was very good and kind. So for his goodness and kindness, even the king, the emperor, the king, he also rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. So that fountain was called Taro Fountain. This said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. I hope you understood the story now. Very interesting story. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
why,
Interested,
sir?
sir.
Why the stream
working with
is
the
giving
text
him
that you try to answer.
sake,
So
sir, and
let's
the
hear, let's
villagers
go to this exercise
cold water,
working
sir?
with language. Okay, let's go to this exercise and you can try to. Uh, a
Sir, why
dash
the
woodcutter. A dash woodcutter. Let's see the summary of it. Okay.
sir?
What will come here? What will the answer here? Okay,
Cutter.
very good.
Thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
A
So here,
thoughtful woodcutter
right.
lived on
A
a
dash woodcutter lived on a dash hillside. A thoughtful woodcutter lived on a
cutter.
lonely hillside. Yes, what is the answer there?
Beautiful.
Lonely hillside. He was a dash son. He was a dash woodcutter. I think it's a young woodcutter, isn't it? A young
It
woodcutter
was
lived on a
Sir,
lonely hillside. He was a
beautiful.
thoughtful son who worked,
Thoughtful. Who
who
worked
worked hard,
we
but
worked
earned
hard, but less
little
money.
money. One
little
day
Yes,
money.
he
sir.
saw a
One day he saw a dash waterfall. He saw a
Beautiful.
dash waterfall,
Sir, beautiful waterfall.
beautiful waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it. How was the water?
Yes, sir.
It
Sake.
was
Delicious.
delicious. Okay, it was delicious because it was sake. That water was delicious because it was
Sir,
sake.
lovely. नहीं आता है क्या sir?
So the
young
summary
woodcutter lived
is
on
given here
Sir,
in gist. Okay,
sir,
so
why the waterfall is giving him
a lonely
sake
hillside.
and the
He was
villagers
a
ah,
cold water, sir?
why? Yes,
young, he
see,
was a
he was
thoughtful
offering
son who
sake to
worked
him.
hard but earned
For remaining
little
all,
money. One
it
day
was
he
not
saw
offering
a
sake.
beautiful
You
waterfall
think about it.
hidden
If
behind
you're
a
a good
rock.
boy,
He
you get
tasted the
Sir,
reward
tell
water
him
from
and
God.
to stop, sir.
found
What
it
You will
screen,
get the
sir?
reward
delicious.
from God. You will get reward from the teacher. You'll get rewards from everybody. Your parents will also be very
Sir,
good
tell
if
again.
you are a
This made
thoughtful and loving
Taro
son. But if you
Sir,
are
have
tell again, sir.
disobedient boy like Lullu Pade,
never.
yes, very
Yes, sir.
mischievous.
Lallu pade.
So he will have his reward from the God.
Sir,
God
not
will punish
pade.
him. Yes. So
Sir,
who will
why,
punish him?
sir?
Sir,
So if somebody
Sir, why the sir? Why
Sir,
the
that is
yes.
waterfall
bad
is
boy.
giving
Bad boy.
sir him a sake
Right.
and the villagers not, sir?
So all those questions which are there, you should try. Okay, let's come to this. Now you are young. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. So young is rhyming with lung, and money is rhyming with sunny. So
Sir,
similar way,
sir,
rhyming words you
sir,
sad
can
I
bird.
have a doubt, sir.
Sir, sad bird.
try to.
Sir, sad bird.
Yes.
Hello,
Sir,
sir, I have a
sad
doubt, sir.
bird. Rhyming words. Sad bird.
Okay. You can try all these.
Sad bird.
All right.
Sir, that sake tasted to only Taro, sir. Why not it tested to villagers, sir?
Yes,
No,
sir.
what has happened? See, the all villagers who came there. See, he was a very good boy, who was very thoughtful, very loving. He wanted to offer sake to his father. He came with a motive that he
Summation na?
wanted to help his father.
Link
He wanted to
పంపింది
give it to
కదా.
his father. So he was a very good boy. So the God also wanted to give
Summation
something
na.
good to him. So the villagers, when they came, their motive was what? They were very greedy.
Summation
So
na
that is
ಏನ
the reason.
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ.
सर आई कैन टेल द आंसर सर
greedy को
अंदर
हम क्या
बंद
हिंदी
होता
में क्या बोलेंगे? जो सब कुछ चाहता है वो. I mean, he will try to have. See, he will not be happy with you. If you offer him a little bit, he will not be happy. He wants more and more. Somebody who is
Sir,
greedy,
sir,
he
I
will.
am thoughtful. Kind means the waterfall will give me sake, sir.
Yes, if
Sir,
you are a
I
good
will.
boy. Hmm.
Sir.
सर आई टेल द आंसर फॉर दिस
Ah,
सर
yes, you tell the answer. Yes.
सर द मैजिकल waterfall gave Taro the sick because he was a very thoughtful son and caring son towards his parents.
Very good answer. Yes, he was
Nitin,
very hopeful.
Nitin,
Yes, why
if
did
you
yes,
became Taro, then it will be.
yes, yes. Well, all these questions, what you do, you can try to write the answers for that. We can discuss about the answers later. But here, I'll just tell you, number 5, 7, all these numbers are given there. They refer to the paragraphs.
Yes
So
sir.
you'll find the answer of the first question in paragraph number 5. You'll find the answer for question number 7.
Sir will be
Question
sir will
number
we
2 in
try
paragraph number
the
7.
question answer, sir?
Yes, you can try to write the answers for that. Paragraph
Yes,
number
sir.
12, you'll find the answer for question number 3. If you don't find, then we can discuss about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Or somebody
Sir,
can.
tomorrow will be
Now,
discussed.
get
Sir,
ready
tomorrow will.
for your. Hmm. Yes,
Sir,
tomorrow is
tomorrow
holiday,
will be
my dear fellow.
discussed.
Tomorrow, yes. And Saturday, we have got the
Sir, I
period,
have a doubt,
right?
sir.
So
Sir, I
Saturday, we
have
have
a
got the
doubt.
period. So why did Taro run in the direction of the stream? And yes, paragraph number 5 and all, you'll find the answer. But let's discuss other
Sir,
questions like
he
mark the
ran.
right
Sir,
item.
I have a doubt,
So
sir.
first
Sir,
one
I
will
have a
do
doubt.
simpler
He ran
ones.
in
This
the stream because
mark the right item.
The
Taro
price
earned
of
very
wood
little
was
money
very low.
because
The price of wood was very low. The
the
price
price of wood was very low. Very good. Next one.
Sir,
Taro decided to earn extra money.
to buy his old father some sick.
to buy
To buy his
the
old father
old
some
Sick.
father
sake.
some
Very good.
sake.
To buy his yes, to buy his old father some sake. So he was very poor. He wanted to buy sake for his father. Father wished to drink sake, isn't it? Okay, let's. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because why did she leave? She was delighted with the drink. She was astonished
She
by
was
the
delighted with the
taste.
drink. She was delighted with the drink, sir.
See, the right
Sir,
answer
Delighted
is
with the drink.
to tell
sir,
the whole village.
she
She wanted
wanted
to
to
tell
tell
the
the
whole
whole
story.
village.
Ah,
Sir,
she wanted to
she
tell
wanted to
everybody.
tell the whole
Yes,
village
sir.
about the
That
waterfall.
is it. Okay. She was, see, you have to find, you have to be analytical. You have to be analytical and then you have to think over that what will be the right answer. Rohit Kumar says opposite of poor is rich. Very good. So opposite words also you are able to tell. Poor, what is opposite of poor? Rich. Very good.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes. What
Sir,
is
you
that?
have in 6B English group you have sent about the Yuvraj Mala video, sir. English video.
Ah,
Sir, in
yes.
that video he told Ravi hit Kiran in his face.
Ah,
Sir, in that he told Ravi is subject, Kiran is object, sir.
ah.
Then it will a transitive verb, sir. Sentence.
Yeah, it is transitive verb because the action is passing from, yes, Ravi to Kiran, isn't it? Ravi is hitting him.
Ravi hit
If
Kiran
somebody
in
slaps
his
you,
face.
so if the action is passing from one to another, then it will be transitive verb. Yes, it will be
Okay,
transitive
sir.
verb. Okay, that's correct. So
Yes, sir.
hitting, that's a transitive verb. Okay, but at this juncture, just remember that which one is a verb. Hit is a verb. If you are able to find hit as a verb, then there's no problem. Because as we go on, the concepts of grammar will become clearer to you. Okay, as we go on, it will be clearer to you, and we can see more and more examples of that. I'm very happy that you are going deeper into that and trying to find out. So I have sent that video. It's mainly for Kanda medium boys, so that they should pick up language very fast. After, see, we will be discussing only in English now. Slowly, we are moving on to English. We'll not be discussing in Hindi or Kanda, because all of you should be able to speak very good English. Understood? So those who are from Kannada medium, now you pick up language. So watch these kind of videos which are available in the net. I've just given you few videos, but you should be able to, you should watch these videos more and more. Okay, and you should try to
Yes, sir.
acquire language. Because the
Yes.
one parent told me that her son is not, showing a lot of interest in science, social science, or English. It's mainly because his language is very poor as far as English is concerned. So keeping that in the mind, I thought, okay, I'll show you, I'll send those videos. Then definitely you'll be able to pick up the language fast. So those are all samples which I've sent you. So you should watch those kind of videos more and more to pick up the language. And you should learn every day at least 2 words or 3 words. Okay. Now Nikhil says
A
poverty. What is
difficult word.
opposite of poverty? Opposite of poverty is richalty or richness. Opposite of poverty is richalty or richness. Not luxurious. Poverty, richalty you can, yes, you can say, Nikhil. Okay, richalty you can say, or richness you can say. Poverty. Very good. You are trying to find the opposite words also. I am very happy. But remember that for every word, opposite word will not be there. Okay, right. Okay, let's go to the next question now. This made Tao sadder than ever. This refers to what? Now here, is it refer? Yes, okay, sir. Thank you. Right. No. See here, don't get discouraged, Nikhil. It's not that I'm trying to find out the mistake. See, language will be picking up like that only. Everybody will commit mistake. See, when you are born, after that you pick up language. At first you commit mistake. When you commit mistake, you will learn that. And it's not only for Nikhil, it's for everybody. So others, those who don't know the opposite word of poverty, they'll be it is kind of learning for them, right? Okay, a strong wind that began to blow. This refers to, this made Taro sadder than
Sir,
ever.
third
So
one the answer, sir.
what is the
Third
answer
one.
here? Which
Third,
one is the
sir.
answer? Huh?
Taro's inability to buy expensive sake for his
Right.
father.
Inability to buy expensive sake for his father. So unless you read the context, you will not be able to remember. Okay. And like these questions will be there in the examination. Okay. Antonyms, opposite words, 100 opposite. Very good. I am very happy if Satvik, if you can share in that group, English group, some opposite words. I am very happy with that. Okay. Satvik is showing lot of interest and lot of learning will take place. Okay. All of you will be learning all those opposite words. Okay, all right. So here let's go to this said the emperor was to so luxurious. See the opposite word of luxurious. So luxurious is what? Very comfortable, very luxurious. So very common and simple can be the opposite word of luxurious. Very simple, very common. It can be the, yes, it's not luxurious. So gaudy and very simple. That can be opposite of luxurious, right? Uh, very common it can be that. So this said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. So this refers to what here? This was to encourage all children. What was the most beautiful fountain? Was it that rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain? Yes, name after Taro. Which one is that? What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? The answer for this is rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. So that this is referring to that. Okay, right. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. So rhyming words. See, sometimes this question will also come rhyming words. Young is rhyming with lung. How will you find the rhyming words? So you have to think about the last sound. Young, ga sound. Lung, ga sound. So young is rhyming with lung because ga sound is common there. Money, sunny,
Sir,
me,
shall
me.
I tell the answer, sir?
Sad, bad. Ah,
Sir,
yes, you can
sad
tell.
bad. Sir,
Sad,
sad bad.
Sir,
sad, bad. Very good.
young,
Sad
Sir,
man.
honey money.
Huh?
Honey money,
Yes.
sir.
Honey money.
Chop hop.
Yes, sir. Chop hop.
Wax tax. Yes. Pay.
Last.
Last to
Uh,
wasp, sir.
Sir, last
VASP.
Sir,
What?
last
VASP wasp, sir.
Sir, last cast.
Okay.
Wax act. Sound, sir, wax act.
Okay. Start with first one. Wait.
Food should, sir. Food should.
Good.
Should,
Young,
sir. Food should.
young,
Sound
Food should.
lung. Sad,
bad. Wax act.
money,
Honey. Money. Chop, hop. Chop, hop.
stop.
Lung.
Sir. Sound.
Ah.
Wound.
Lung tongue. Young king.
Wax on.
Young king.
Last,
Young king.
last, fast. Last, fast. Yes, Satvik has given the answers also. Very good. Many other words also he has told. So you will know rhyming words. Very important question. Rhyming words. One particular question can be there in the examination. Definitely that question will be there. So you should be able to rhyme those words. Yes, Athorva? Yes, you should be able to rhyme. And you can give the answers there in the chat box. But today I could see very few boys have joined. Why others have not joined? Very
Sir.
important class.
Past.
I can see 36 boys only have joined. Yes. What
Sir,
is the reason
round
for
sound.
that? Hmm?
Round sound.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Why so many? Yes. Is it that you are not given the link because every day is it necessary to give the link to those all boys? Or is it that today? Yes. Yes. Can you just some of you share that in the class? Is it because of that they have not joined English class? Yes.
Sir, can I share the link?
Yes. Share the link because I can see some boys they have not been able to join that. Is it because of that? I'm just trying.
Sir, I have made a group for links, but no one is seeing that, sir.
No one is
Daily,
looking at
sir.
that. Okay.
Yes,
It
sir.
doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Okay, right. Okay, fine. Doesn't matter, but I can see many of them now. Yes, 60 some boys are shared and all. Right. Okay. Uh, doesn't matter because I could see that some boys have only joined, not many boys have joined, and already link is shared in different groups. Despite all that, number is very less here. Why they are not joined, I'm not
Sir,
able to
in
understand.
6th class,
English link is not there, sir. In today.
Today, English link was not there. But you see, you can
Yes,
join
sir.
using earlier link, no? Is it 10
Yes,
minute
sir.
format? If it is
Yes, sir.
format, huh? Yes?
Sir, I will share, sir. Some other boys are not shared.
Okay, what we can do is that, okay, fine. Every day, what we'll do, we'll assign somebody to join. But
Sir, there is
even
a
then, some
response,
boys
sir,
have already joined.
WebEx
That
meeting.
means many others, they are not joined at all. Okay? You should all
Okay,
join.
sir.
See that now examinations are approaching. And I think tomorrow only, I mean, day after tomorrow, examination is starting for you. So all should be ready with all that. Yes? Or everybody should join. We'll just check that. How many of okay, I'll just meanwhile what I'll do, I'll just take the attendance. So those who are present there, I'll just check so that I'll be able to find out who are all absent there. Okay. What I'm just
Yes,
doing
sir.
is that I'm just trying to find out who are all present today so that see so if next time if they don't join, then we can punish them. Okay.
Sir,
They will be getting less marks also. Yes, tell what is that?
sir, kid set is the rhyming word, sir.
Uh, kid sit, yes, it's a rhyming word. Yes, kid sit
Snail
is a
tail,
rhyming
sir.
word.
Sir,
Uh,
sat bat.
uh,
Sir, sat bat also, sir.
sad, bad, yes, it's a rhyming word. Sad, bad, it's a rhyming word. Okay. See,
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
right. So those who have been present there, can you just send? I mean,
Sir,
in your
what is the difference?
yes.
Sir, what
What
is
is
the
the
difference
difference
between
between
house and home, sir?
house
Sir, what
and
is the difference between home, sir?
home? House and home. See,
Yes, sir.
house, when you think about house, you think about a structure. When you think about a home, you think about a family who are present there. So home, which is very close to your heart. See the same.
Sir, Papa, Mama,
Huh? You think about
Papa.
Kaka, Mama, all that. Yes. So your
Yes, sir.
mother, father, when you think at that time.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Doubt,
Right.
sir.
Brother, sister.
Yes.
House is made up of bricks, chimneys.
House is, yes. House is made of bricks. Yes. You are right. House is made of bricks. Yes. Okay. I'm just.
Sir, gate and plate.
Okay. One way.
School reopen. Excuse me, sir. When will school reopen?
Yes. What